If you're serious about music production, stop wasting hours searching random tutorials online, because a new era of music learning is here. At Sound Barrier Music Academy, we're redefining how producers and engineers learn, create, and grow. This isn't just another online school. It's a community built for modern creators who want to push boundaries, sharpen their craft, and sound incredible doing it. Launching in early 2026, our focus classes deliver short, powerful Ableton live sessions taught by certified trainers. Each class zeroes in on one specific skill, like sound design, mixing and mastering, or live recording, giving you the ability to level up fast without the pressure of an intense course. You can join Sound Barrier Select on Patreon to access exclusive production tutorials, beat breakdowns, interviews, and advanced tips, all designed to inspire your next project. And soon, you'll be able to dive even deeper with our full-length online programs in Ableton Live production and Pro Tools engineering, taking you from beginner to pro at your own pace. Your sound, your future, your academy. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel and sign up to our email list at sbmaonline.com for updates on upcoming courses so that you can start breaking down barriers in your music education.